the video will be how we can deploy an NFT collection while using MetaMask. And yeah, let's start with doing this. Like I already said, the steps actually are the same like we already done with the AXS wallet. But for the users with MetaMasks, I want to show it anyways. We begin with a click onto these bullets here in the upper right part of the screen. With this done, we then click on to create a collection. There we are able to set a collection name. I will name it Major Dom NFT MetaMask. Then we are able to provide two different images. One would be a cover image and the second would be a profile image. For the cover image, yeah, like you've seen, I already downloaded the picture, but I've been stupid when it comes to setting the file name. Here we want to use this kind of picture, and here we are prompted to provide a description. This is the necessary information which you can see here on this asterisk. And this is one of the best NFT collections ever made. Here we would be able to provide an URL, which means an MNS name. On MetaMask, you are able to bind a name to your wallet address. It's the same, maybe ENS system, the Ethereum name system. It's actually the same. You are able to bind human readable addresses like NFT collection workshop.mxc, major.defi.mxc, major.dpin.mxc onto your complex wallet address. It's similar like when you think about the domain name and IP address in Web 2. So it's only possible to bind one collection to one address, and because all of these addresses are already used in one collection, sadly I'm not able to show you this part of the creation process. Here we also can see category choosing option. In this case, it's not interesting for us because this category is mainly for categorizing real world assets. When it comes to creating an NFT for a car, you would be able to specifically put it into this category. If people want to buy a car NFT, it would be way easier to find it by this categorization. Here we are able to provide an creator earnings. This would mean we would get a percentage in case the NFT would get sold. In case it would get sold, we will get, in this case, like 10% of the sale price. We can, I think, put it onto 50, 60, a lot of even 100%. Okay, so yeah. Besides this, we are also able to provide a site information, which would mean a website, which refers to our NFT collection, as well as we can provide some socials. Which we are referring to. And yeah, with this done, we were able to do the first transaction, which would be the minting of the collection NFT. And when this transaction went through, our next step would be to create the first item of our collection. Here we are. Our transaction went through perfectly, exactly like we wanted it to do.